Hi students, today we will start a new lesson from Standard 4 Grammar, and the name of our first chapter is Possessives. You can see a picture here, and in this picture there are some dialogues. Does this bag belong to you? No, this is the girl's bag. Whose bag are these? These are those girls' bags. Students, you can see that highlighted part, and it is the noun. And notice the use of that apostrophe. So, what is possessive? That apostrophe means girl's bag, means the bag belongs to this girl. Now, the possessive, what is possessive? Possessive form is used with nouns referring to people, groups of people, and countries and animals. And it shows the relationship of belonging between one thing and another. Means this apostrophe, comma and s, that girl's bag means it's make a relationship between the bag and the girl. These are known as possessive. You can see some words here, that girl and that girls. Noun and possessive. Girl and girls. Cat, cats. Parul, paruls. Child, childs. So when we form the possessive, we should add apostrophe and s to the noun. If the noun is plural or already ends in s, just add an apostrophe after the s. Like that, boy, boys, girl, girls, etc. Now you can see here the words is written as nouns have a possessive form for which we add an apostrophe, and possessive show possession. For the example, the boy's bat means the bat belongs to the boy. Here the boy is bat, so it makes a relationship between the boy and the bat. The boy is mother, so that makes a relationship between the boy and the mother. The boy is teacher, that boy is teacher. So each and every place we can see that apostrophe s, which makes a relationship between the teacher and the boy. So we add apostrophe s to singular nouns. When the noun is in singular form, we can add apostrophe s to singular nouns. We add an apostrophe to plural nouns that end in s. After, when it is in plural form, when the noun is in plural form, we have to always put apostrophe after the s. Like that, boy's teacher. Here the boy is a singular, so boy's teacher. Now here the girls. Girls means girls and then apostrophe. There are the plural form, so we put the apostrophe after the s. Now, when it is plural nouns and that do not end with s, we add apostrophe s before it. So children's teacher. Here children is not ends with the letter s, it's end with the letter n. So after that we can put apostrophe and s. So I hope that you understand. So I repeat that part 1. How to form possessive? To form the possessive, add apostrophe and s to the noun. If the noun is plural or already ends in s, just add an apostrophe after the s. For an example, girl, girls, boy, boys, etc. With proper nouns ending in s, the possessive form takes apostrophe, and s. For example, that Bika's house means some name which have already S within that name. That Suhas, if anybody's name is Suhas, so it's already ending in S, and then we can also put apostrophe, comma and S after its name, that James Carr, etc. And when you writing the possessive of same proper nouns which end in S, we do not add another S after the apostrophe. That Socrates students, some of the possessive proper nouns which already have an S, so we should not have to add another S after the apostrophe. We just put the apostrophe after the names. Like Socrates students, here Socrates is already ending with the letter S and it's a proper noun, so we should not add another S after the apostrophe. Jesus disciples, etc. So I hope that you understand it, because in that moment we all are at our home and there have no boards to see you. How could we I write down? So I hope that you understand, students. Please go through it, read carefully, and very find out each and every point from your book. I think that it will help you, and I try my best to give you better